My name is Bahati Kanyamanza. I'm the co-founder of Kobros International Youth Organization to Transform Africa. The organization was started in Kyangwali refugee settlement in 2005 to address the most problems refugees were facing. The problem we are addressing is education. In 2005, we started building a primary school, and we started a project called the Kobros Hostels to address education problems to various refugee children. We take refugees from the Kyangwali refugee settlement to Hoima town to access quality education in various schools in Hoima town. In the Kobros primary school, we thought of building our own primary school so that these children can have quality education with well-trained teachers.